Cotton has been the lifeblood of Pakistan for generations, woven into our clothes, our economy, and our identity. We are the world's fifth largest cotton producer, but things are changing. Extreme heat, water shortages, and record floods have shattered our harvests. In Punjab alone, cotton production fell by 36% this season. This isn't just a climate crisis, it's a livelihood crisis. Cotton is a thirsty crop. One shirt can drain 2,700 liters of water, enough for one person to drink for 2.5 years. Pesticide overuse not only poisons our soil, but our future. But change is blooming. In Balochistan, over 67,000 acres now grow regenerative cotton. No chemicals, less water, more biodiversity. Regenerative practices are restoring the land and reviving hope. At the heart of this movement is SAWiE's Regenerative Agriculture Cotton Cluster. From precision advisories to digital soil health tracking, we are enabling over 300 farmers on 3,000 acres to grow climate-smart cotton. Less input, more yield, and a healthier planet. Over 1.7 million Pakistani farmers rely on cotton. With the right tools, they can lead the transition. By supporting ethical cotton, we empower communities and preserve centuries of textile heritage. The journey of cotton is at a crossroads. Choose sustainability, support regeneration.